Hey everyone, welcome back to the Yeti App Design and Development Masterclass. In this video, we'll be talking about defining your problem statement. A meaningful and actionable problem statement is an important part of the app design process because it helps you fully understand your goal, gives you a clear-cut objective to work towards, and will help you kickstart your ideation process. To get started, you'll need to have a clear idea of your product's user. If you haven't created a user persona yet, make sure to check out the previous video to learn how. Once you have a user persona, you're ready to get started. UX, or User Experience Design, is all about solving a user problem. So establishing a clear idea of exactly what problem your app will be solving is an important step in creating a great app. You might already have a good idea of what your user problem is, but discussing and brainstorming it further with your team is a good idea. It can be helpful to think of the problem as an unmet need. By designing a solution that meets this need, you'll satisfy the user and ensure a great user experience. Once you've determined exactly what your user problem is, you're ready to create your problem statement. Throughout this process, keep in mind the following characteristics of a good problem statement. It focuses on the user. It leaves room for innovation and creative freedom. It's manageable and provides you with direction. There are a couple of methods you can use to condense everything you know about your user problem into a single, concise statement. One of these is the 4 W's. In this method, you'll ask yourself the following questions. Who's experiencing the problem? In other words, who is your target user? What is the problem? Based on the observations you made during user interviews, what are the problems and pain points that frequently came up? What task is the user trying to accomplish, and what's standing in their way? Where does the problem present itself? In what situation or context is the user when they face this problem? And finally, why does it matter? Why is it important that this problem be solved? Another question-based strategy you can use is the why method. Using our daily huddle board project and the problems surrounding remote work as an example, here's how you can use the 5 whys to break down the problem and understand how to create a solution. Begin by asking and answering a basic question, such as, why are companies failing at remote work? Brainstorm the answer to that question, then turn the answer into the next question. For example, why are companies failing at remote work? Because they're not communicating properly. Why are they not communicating properly? Because they don't have the proper tools and practices. Continue this process until you get to the root cause of the problem, which you can turn into your problem statement. In our example, we arrived at the following problem statement. Small teams of technologically savvy professionals need a quick, convenient, guided way of staying connected remotely. You can state this problem in a number of different ways. For example, our problem can also be stated from the user's perspective. I am a manager of a small team, but I'm struggling because we are now working remotely, and I'm hearing people are not feeling connected. I need a way to communicate regularly with my team members, motivate them to complete their projects, and create a culture of openness and honesty. Creating a problem statement can be a challenging process. If you'd like a bit more help, make sure to check out the link in the description for our helpful guide. Once you've crafted your problem statement, you'll be ready to move on to the next phase of the app design and development process. Check out the next video to learn more about ideation and user journey mapping. Thanks for watching.